This nocturne is more than beauty, it's a dream in velvet. Chopin weaves lines with the precision of a master builder, but cloaks it all in lyricism so smooth, it almost floats and brings tears with its frequencies. Every detail matters, the voicing, timing, color, but nothing should feel forced. The left hand isn't background here. It has a personality, sometimes guiding, sometimes responding. Always supporting the right, but in a constant reactive conversation. Shape every phrase with intention. Think like chamber music. Each voice knows its role but breathes together. Rubato in this piece is not mere decoration, it's structural. It reveals the natural ebb and flow of each phrase, shaping tension and release. How you breathe between sections defines the character, so choose with care. Stretch only where the emotion truly calls for it, like a sigh, unforced, organic, and inevitable. As the theme returns, let yourself and your listeners be drawn in by the charm of its delicate ornaments. Let them speak with sincerity, never as empty decoration. Maintain a steady pulse with natural variability like a heartbeat. Then allow the emotional surge to guide you effortlessly but with great passion into the final return. When the main theme returns for the last time, it must not feel like mere repetition. It carries more weight now, more vulnerability, even as it arrives with a proud, almost defiant glow. You have gone through something, and that must be heard. Let the sound be more immediate, more emotionally bare, more true. And as it unfolds, begin to shape the tender descent into that final sublime fading into bliss. Like a memory first recalled in vivid detail, then gently dissolving into mist. This nocturne demands more than beauty, it calls for depth, intimacy, tenderness, and a quiet but deep and thoughtful flow state. If you truly listen to what each phrase wishes to say and let emotion shape your craft, this dreamlike piece becomes something alive. A story that breathes and touches you to the core. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.